Hi, my name is Ansar. This is a small pause between origami videos. Uh, I am here today with the intention and the hope, seeking a support from all of you. I'm running a campaign to support 350 children for their education who really want to go back to school. And there are more than 25 critical medical emergency people who are actually seeking support. If you feel to donate even 1 rupee or maybe 10 rupees, any small amount, if you can donate, please scan the QR code and donate, or you can go to my Milap campaign, and if you really want to make a big contribution, please do so. Thank you.